Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today dated June 27, 2022. So for all of you today here is to the purpose will be for the position as an early ACEY teacher position. Do you know what is ACEY? Early more to teach children ages 18 months to 3 years old. Okay. So for today, the reason is we need hopefully on behalf of my client, they need 50 ACEY teachers, 350. Okay. But of course, there are requirements to be followed. Requirements such as for this ACEY of they would expect those who are shortlisted and to work in Singapore, you need to take the course in Singapore. The course probably will be a part-time course, probably. Of course, I still need to check with them what are the requirements. The course probably, it takes about 8 to 1 year part-time course. It could be, maybe the timing will be, your study time will be alternate days, probably Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. 3 times a week or only 2 times a week. I don't know, still I'm waiting for their answer. All right, so probably if you start work like 7 o'clock in the morning and then you finish work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and your course start at 6 p.m. So you do have ample 2 hours for you to get ready and to go to the center to study this ACEY course. All right. Of course, there are requirements for you to fulfill. If I'm not wrong, for ACEY course, you don't need to do IELTS. That would be a plus point for you because I believe everyone knows that IELTS is very, very difficult for Filipino teachers. Okay. All right. And this would be an opportunity for you to grab this opportunity to work in Singapore. And of course, you still need to sit for the WPL test. It's the same exactly like IELTS, but easier if I'm not wrong. Okay, so WPS it means workplace literacy. Okay, it consists of reading, writing, speaking, and it seems like IELTS, but I think it's a little bit more easier for you to pass. I heard most of my teachers, Filipino teachers, I got feedback from them. They told me that what WPL is much easier because everyone speaks English and it's very basic. The reason why you must be able to speak basic good English. I believe everyone should be fine. Okay, again, you want to work in Singapore, your health is very important too because you are handling with babies, right? 18 months, and you must be able to change diapers for the children, for the babies. If this is not for you, please let me know. Okay, because you need to change diaper for the children. You must be able to handle and you must be patient because babies cry every time. Am I right? So you know, I don't know how to handle, but I heard, of course, every time, right? So you must be able to handle such situation. What happens if the baby cry? And after that, the baby choke, doesn't feeding me. What should we do? Am I right? Okay. So that's it. If you think that everyone is okay to work in Singapore for this ACEY teacher position, and of course, good salary, 2,900. It's a very good salary, right? Of course. So yeah, at least you must be able to handle, at least with the experience of 1 year. If you don't know how to handle babies, this is not for you. Okay? Everyone here able to handle babies or not? Yes, right? Okay. All right. So if everything is okay, then I will ask each and every one of you Q&A. we begin from teacher Lucy Mai. Please unmute. Okay, teacher
Hello,
Lucy.
sir.
Hi, Lucy. Introduce yourself.
All right. So, hello, everyone. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is teacher Liz Viminda M. Corpus. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in pre-elementary education. And I am now 26 years old. So I have been teaching for 4 years and 5 months. And yeah, I'm teaching preschool, specifically pre-kinder, kinder, and toddler class.
Okay, good. So you know toddler, you know how to teach toddler, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maybe you can share with us what's the job responsibility as a to teach toddler?
Okay, so for toddlers, we know that toddlers are and infants is the very first stage for kids. So we need to develop their five things that we need to develop, which is their gross motor skills, their fine motor skills, their sensory, of course, the language skills, and also their social skills. Okay, we need all of those skills to be developed in the toddlers stage. And also this one in stage of toddlers, they are exploring. So they are more on exploring. So we need a lot of patience on handling these kids because they have a lot of questions. That's why we need to be ready. They have a lot of questions that we need to explain them properly. And also, we need to be careful with our actions because the toddlers are very good in copying adults. So they like to copy. They feel that they are adults also. So be careful with our actions and words because sometimes they will copy us, or they will copy what we are doing and saying. So those are the things that we need to be careful. Another thing is we need also to teach them to be ready in the real life situation, which is the coming to be a kinder student or a pre-kinder student, which is they need to know more things on how to feed themselves.
Okay, good. Okay, good, teacher. Okay, teacher, one more question for you.
Yes, sir.
If you are given a chance to work in Singapore and you are in infant care with 10 babies in your classroom, and then you need to feed them milk or something. Then, for example, one baby choking. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Okay, sir. First of all, we need to give them the milk, but the milk must be from the parent. It's provided by the parents because we don't know what are the foods or the milk that they want to give to their children. So the food, also the solid food must be provided by them and also appropriate to their ages because that's infant. We need to be reminded that they are infants. And then another thing is if the kids are crying, as a teacher, we need to soothe the kids, or for example, by singing them and cuddling them. That is the main thing that we need because they need to feel that we are their mothers.
Okay,
because
thank
they
you.
are in the stage. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Good answer. Thank you, teacher. Okay, you can mute now.
Sir.
You can mute now. Okay, we still have about 3 more minutes left because I'm not a member of Zoom. So I will give you another set of link later after this, okay? Because it will go off automatically. Okay, the next one will be Sarah or Sharon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon, Sarah. How are you? I remember you.
Yes.
You're still with me.
I'm good. I'm good, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah Ocharan. I graduated from St. Joseph College, Olongapo with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education major in preschool. I've been working as a preschool teacher for 6 years. I handled toddler, nursery, kinder 1, and kinder 2. Their ages start at 1.9 to 5 years old.
Good. All right. Share with us about your toddler work experience and job responsibility. More for like
Yeah.
lower levels.
Yeah. As a toddler, we need more patience.
Mhm.
And of course, we will have in our toddler school, we have PPI, the responsibilities of teacher, that is plan, prepare, and implement a variety of different activities for the infant and for the infant or toddler. We all know that infant or toddler are sensitive for the different objects. So we need to prepare that activities that they that appropriate for them, like the fine motor skills, which is the coloring, like holding a pen. And of course, as a toddler teacher, we need to supervise them in every activities, in every, or even they are playing. That's the responsibilities of the toddler teacher. And of course, we help them to learn and socialize.
Okay.
And also, as toddler teacher, I experienced to change nappies,
Mm.
change them clothes, and feed them. And sometimes we bat them.
Okay, all right. That's a very good answer. Okay, thank you very much. Very good, Sarah. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
sure. Less than 1 minute, I'm going to end this. And after that, we're going to continue for the second. I will give you the second. All right, see you later.
All right.